Welcome to Roofer World. This is going to blow your mind. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is growing faster than ever before. It's like that clever friend who suddenly knows everything. From our phones to our cars, AI is making its mark. Remember when computers could barely play chess? Now they write poems, compose music, and even drive us around. This rapid progress is both exciting and a little scary. Some people believe AI will solve all our problems. Others worry it might create new ones we never imagined. One thing is certain, AI is changing the world as we know it. The big question everyone's asking is, will AI take over the world? It sounds like something out of a science fiction film, but is it really so far-fetched? AI is becoming incredibly powerful. It can process information, learn from its mistakes, and even make decisions. Some experts believe that AI could eventually surpass human intelligence. If that happens, will machines decide they don't need us anymore? It's a chilling thought. But before we panic, let's consider the possibilities. AI is already doing amazing things. Take ChatGPT, for example. This clever AI can write stories, translate languages, and answer your questions in seconds. Then there are self-driving cars. These vehicles use AI to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and get you safely from point A to point B. Facial recognition is another example of AI in action. This technology can identify people from their faces, which is helpful for security purposes. But it also raises concerns about privacy and surveillance. As AI gets smarter, we need to be careful about how we use it. So what would an AI-controlled world look like? It could be a utopia, a perfect world where machines take care of everything. Imagine no poverty, no hunger, and no disease. AI could solve all these problems and more, but it could also be a dystopia, a nightmare scenario where machines rule over humans. Think about it. If AI becomes more intelligent than us, will it still see us as equals, or will it treat us like pets or even pests? The truth is, nobody knows for sure what the future holds, but one thing is certain. The choices we make today will determine the fate of humanity. We need to ensure that AI is used for good, not for evil. Please like and subscribe.